I'm Daphne, working as nursing tutor in Emmanuel Arasar College of Nursing, Natalam. Today we can see the autonomic nervous system in detail. So the nervous system is divided into central nervous system as well as peripheral nervous system. Peripheral nervous system is further divided into afferent division as well as efferent division. So afferent is sensory and efferent is motor. The efferent division is further divided into somatic nervous system as well as autonomic nervous system. Here the somatic nervous system is voluntary and autonomic nervous system is involuntary. Here the autonomic nervous system is divided into three types, that is sympathetic nervous system, that is columnar outflow, and another one is parasympathetic system, that is craniosacral outflow, and another one is enteric nervous system. Here the sympathetic nervous system come from the thoracic and lumbar regions T1 to L2 to 3 of the spinal cord, and parasympathetic system comes from brainstem, cranial nerves 3, 7, 9 and 10, or the sacral spinal cord S2, S3, S4. The spinal nerves. The human spinal column is made up of 33 bones, 7 cervical region, 12 in the thoracic region, 5 in lumbar region and 5 in sacral region and 4 in coccygeal region. There are 31 pairs of spinal nerves, 8 cervical, 12 thoracic, 5 lumbar, 5 sacral as well as 1 coccygeal. These are the 31 pairs of spinal nerves. Next, we can see the peripheral nervous system. So, most of the nerves of the peripheral nervous system are composed of sensory nerve fibers. Here, the sensory nerve fibers convey afferent impulses, that is, sensory impulses from the sense organs to the brain, and motor nerve fibers, that is, efferent, conveying impulses from the brain through the spinal cord to the effector organs. What and all comes under effector organs? Muscles as well as glands. Okay. Next we can see the somatic nervous system. The somatic nervous system is always voluntary. Okay, that is voluntary nervous system. It is a part of peripheral nervous system. Under the peripheral nervous system, the somatic nervous system comes. And somatic nervous system includes both sensory, that is afferent nerves, and motor efferent nerves. So sensory neurons convey input from receptors of somatic sensors, tactile, thermal, pain and proprioceptive sensations, and from receptors for the special senses include sight, hearing, taste, smell and equilibrium. Autonomic nervous system is a complex set of neurons that mediate internal homeostasis, that means balance. So the autonomic nervous system is always involuntary. So what are the involuntary functions it includes? Means it contains blood pressure, regulates rate of breathing, digestion, urination and modulates sexual arousal. These are the autonomic nervous system's function. Okay, some of the examples are this. And there are two main branches to the ANS. They are sympathetic nervous system as well as parasympathetic nervous system. So here sympathetic nervous system is otherwise called as thoracolumnar system. Sympathetic stimulation prepares the body. Here the sympathetic nervous system is called as fight or flight. Okay, when a dog come to chase us, on fear we are getting to run. Okay, that is the stressful situation. That response is provided by the sympathetic nervous system. So that is known as fight or flight. Okay. So parasympathetic nervous system is also known as craniosacral outflow. So parasympathetic nervous system is known as peacemaker. So cell bodies of parasympathetic preganglionic neurons are found in the nuclei in the brainstem. Thank you.